Many users transitioning from Windows to Linux find the terminal unfamiliar, particularly when configuring antivirus solutions. This video about how to set up ClamAV with a graphical interface. So you can get the official repository from GitHub or even the official website. But the most important part is downloading the engine of the antivirus, which is ClamAV himself. And ClamTk, the graphical front end that makes scanning effortless without needing complex command line every time. Open your terminal and run the installation command. Now type sudo apt update space and end space sudo apt install ClamTk space -y, hit enter from your keyboard. In case if you don't know how to install ClamAV, the engine himself, watch that video and probably will guide you. Before running any scan, the point is updating your virus definition. Without fresh signatures, your scanner is belonged to new threads. ClamTk is installed. Just click on the start button and search for the application. You can scan a single file, specific directory, or even your entire system. I hope you find this was useful.